my home and my family. Hello, everyone. I'm Emma, and today I'm here to tell you about my home and family. Our home is a little haven filled with love, laughter, and countless memories. It's where my heart feels the happiest, and every corner holds a story. Let me start with a little description. Our house is cozy and inviting, nestled in a quiet neighborhood. There's a beautiful garden in the front with flowers of every color you can imagine, roses, daisies, and tulips that sway gently with the breeze. My mom loves tending to this garden, and she always says the flowers are happiest when we take good care of them. Every day after school, the moment I step through the front door, I'm greeted by the comforting aroma of something delicious. My mom loves to bake, and sometimes it's cookies. Other times, it's her famous apple pie. It's one of my favorite things about coming home. It feels like a warm hug even before she actually hugs me. Now, let me tell you a bit about my dad. He's my hero, with his easygoing smile and endless patience. My dad loves music, especially his guitar. He keeps it on a stand in our living room, always within reach. Some evenings he'll play a song or two, and if I'm lucky, he'll even teach me a few chords. Playing guitar with him is a special tradition, and I treasure those moments more than anything. And then there's my big brother, Ethan. Ethan is my partner in all kinds of fun adventures. We play games, create silly stories, and sometimes even come up with funny songs. We may have our little fights over the TV remote or who gets the last piece of dessert, but we always make up, usually with a joke or a goofy face. He's protective, and I know I can tell him anything. One of our family traditions is pizza night. Every Friday, we gather in the kitchen to make our own pizzas from scratch. Dad rolls out the dough, spinning it in the air while we all laugh at his pizza chef performance. We each pick our own toppings, and I always go overboard with cheese. Once the pizzas are in the oven, we wait eagerly, chatting and sharing stories from the week. It's these simple, happy moments that make our home feel so special. After pizza night, we transform the living room into our own movie theater. We arrange all the cushions and blankets on the floor, creating a big, cozy spot for everyone. We take turns choosing the movie, and while Ethan may roll his eyes when I pick a princess story, I know he secretly enjoys it. Watching movies together, sharing snacks, and laughing at the same parts, it's my favorite way to end the week. During the summer, we all decided to plant a vegetable garden in our backyard. It was hard work, but everyone helped. I took charge of watering the plants every day, and I loved talking to them as I watered. I'd tell the little plants to grow big and strong, believing they could somehow hear me. And sure enough, by the end of the season, we had a garden full of fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. But of course, not every day is perfect. Sometimes I come home feeling frustrated, especially when school is tough or if I've had a rough day. But my family always knows how to cheer me up. My mom listens patiently, offering the best hugs and encouragement. My dad gives wise advice, always making me see things from a different perspective. And Ethan? He just has to make one of his funny faces or say something silly, and I can't help but smile. No matter what, my family is there for me, lifting me up and reminding me that everything will be okay. Our home is filled with memories, from birthdays and holidays to quiet, everyday moments that mean so much. It's not a mansion, but to me, it holds the greatest treasure, a family that loves and supports each other unconditionally. In this little haven, I've learned about kindness, patience, and the beauty of simply being together. Looking back, I realize that these memories are like the sweetest melodies in my heart. My family and my home, they are my safe place, my foundation, and my inspiration. And no matter where life takes me, I'll carry the love and laughter of my family with me forever.
Thank you for listening. Like, subscribe, and share our channel Magic Mingle with your friends to enjoy more magical stories.